Robots just got a brain upgrade with superpowers. Meet Jetson Thor, NVIDIA's new robotics powerhouse, now available for developers and companies ready to build the next generation of smart machines. Powered by Blackwell architecture, Thor delivers up to 7.5 times the AI compute and 3.5 times better energy efficiency compared to its predecessor. We're talking a whopping 2070 FP4 teraflops on 128 gigabytes memory and support for multiple generative models, leveled up for real-time edge reasoning. Early adopters include Amazon Robotics, Boston Dynamics, Meta, and Medtronic. The developer kit starts at $3,499. This isn't sci-fi, it's the future of physical AI, powering smarter, more responsive robots.